After this experience, I realized one simple thing: expensive store-bought baits aren't always better than the simplest homemade recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you a homemade dough bait that consistently catches a wide variety of freshwater fish. Carp, bluegill, crappie, catfish, and many other species have all taken it during my own fishing trips. The best part is that this bait works almost year-round. But there's one important detail that most anglers never think about. The first time I heard about this recipe, I honestly couldn't believe it was so simple. So I decided to test it myself. After several trips, I realized I was leaving worms and other live bait at home more and more often. That's why today I'm showing you the entire process from start to finish, no hidden tricks, no skipped steps. I'll explain exactly how to make this dough bait at home and why it has become one of my most reliable options on the water. Another thing I really like is how inexpensive it is. The ingredients cost just a few dollars, yet the results can surprise even experienced anglers. Compared to the price of premium baits at tackle shops, the savings are obvious. Which naturally raises the question: if it works this well, why do so few people know about it? The story began at a large lake where I often went fishing. It was full of carp, catfish, panfish, and plenty of other freshwater species, so there were always anglers along the shoreline. But one thing caught my attention. While most people struggled to catch much of anything, one older fisherman kept landing impressive fish day after day. The most surprising part wasn't even the size of his catch. He would show up almost every day, fish for about an hour, quickly fill his keep net, and head home. After watching this happen again and again, I couldn't ignore it anymore. I had to find out what kind of bait allowed him to outperform everyone else so consistently. Eventually, curiosity got the better of me, and I walked over to ask him what dough bait he was using. I expected a simple tip, but instead he looked at me with a smile and said, $10,000, and I'll tell you the recipe. I honestly didn't know whether he was serious or joking. At first, I laughed to myself. Paying $10,000 for a fishing bait recipe sounded ridiculous. For a moment I even thought you'd have to collect money from every angler at the lake just to learn the secret. But there was no chance I was going to spend that kind of money. Instead, I decided to find another way. As it turned out, that decision not only saved me a fortune, but also helped me discover the secret much faster. Here's what happened. That fisherman never spent the whole day at the lake. In about an hour, he'd catch an impressive haul, pack up his gear, and quietly head home. One day, after he left, I noticed a small piece of that same dough bait lying on the ground. At that moment, I knew I couldn't let an opportunity like that slip away. I picked it up and, later that day, sent it to a laboratory for analysis. Believe it or not, the analysis cost far less than paying for the recipe itself. The lab identified the main ingredients, and once I had the results, I recreated the bait at home. Then I made a few adjustments, experimented with the proportions, and eventually came up with a version that performed just as well. After that, I tested it on different lakes, ponds, and rivers under a variety of conditions. The results consistently impressed me, so I no longer see any reason to keep this recipe a secret. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it, step by step, using simple, inexpensive ingredients. Looking back, the whole story is pretty incredible. One man wanted thousands of dollars for his secret, but I managed to figure it out for a fraction of the cost, and now I'm sharing it with everyone. It's been 2 years since then. During that time, I've used this dough bait on countless fishing trips in different seasons and on different waters, but I never made a video about it or shared the recipe publicly. I simply kept using it myself. Eventually, I asked myself, why keep such an effective bait a secret if it can help other anglers catch more fish? That's why today I'm finally showing the complete process so anyone can make it at home. But there's one more thing worth mentioning. If someone asks you at the lake what bait you're using after watching this video, don't feel like you have to explain the entire recipe from memory. Just send them this video instead. Everything is shown step by step, with nothing left out. I'd much rather share useful fishing tips than charge people a fortune for them. And to be fair, I can understand why that older fisherman kept his recipe a secret. Maybe he spent years perfecting it through trial and error, or maybe he learned the idea from someone else and improved it over time. Whatever the case, the results spoke for themselves. While most anglers struggled to catch fish, he kept landing one after another. Sometimes, though, a little luck changes everything. At first, I had one doubt. What if the small piece of dough bait I found wasn't actually the one he had been using? But the more I thought about it, the more I realized that was almost impossible. Every time he came to the lake, he brought only one type of dough bait. He always made it fresh and fished with nothing else. That's when I became confident the sample sent to the lab was the exact bait responsible for those impressive catches. Before we get into the recipe, I want to ask one small favor. If you enjoy fishing and like learning practical tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, it really helps the channel grow. And let me know in the comments where you're watching from and what species you enjoy targeting the most. Now it's time to get into the recipe. I've wanted to make this video for a long time because this dough bait has proven itself on countless fishing trips over the past 2 years. I've used it in spring, summer, fall, and even in cold water conditions, and it has consistently produced great results. One of the best things about having this bait on your hook is the confidence it gives you before you even arrive at the water. No bait can guarantee fish every time. Weather, water conditions, and fish activity always play a huge role, but knowing you're using something that has worked over and over again definitely changes your mindset. Of course, it's up to you whether you keep this recipe to yourself or share it with your fishing buddies. As for me, I decided that a method this effective shouldn't stay hidden in my notebook forever. That's why I'm sharing the complete recipe today, completely free of charge. I believe good fishing knowledge is meant to be shared, especially when it can help someone have a more successful day on the water. If you're not already subscribed, consider joining the channel. Every bait and ground bait recipe I share has been personally tested on real fishing trips before it ever appears in a video. I'm not interested in repeating internet myths or promoting ideas that don't work. Every recipe is tested first, and only after it proves itself on the water do I share it with you. If someone asked me to name the 3 most effective fishing baits I've used over the years, this dough bait would take the #1 spot without hesitation. It has helped me catch fish in every season and on all kinds of waters. That's why today I'm going to show you the entire recipe from start to finish, without skipping a single step. And it all begins with a simple ingredient that you probably already have in your kitchen. The base of this recipe is ordinary all-purpose flour. But there's one trick that many anglers have never heard of. After years of experimenting, I found that using flour straight from the bag isn't the best approach. Instead, lightly toast it in a dry skillet for a few minutes. Don't brown it too much, you only want it to develop a slightly darker color and a light, nutty aroma. This simple step makes a noticeable difference in how the finished dough performs. The flour provides the structure, but it isn't the real secret. The key is the liquid we use to mix the dough, because that's what gives the bait its unique scent and makes it so attractive to fish. To prepare it, pour about 7 ounces, 200 milliliters, of water into a small saucepan and bring it to a boil. Add 4 fresh garlic cloves, pressed or finely crushed, followed by 1/2 cup of sugar. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes, then allow it to cool completely. Once it has cooled, stir in half a teaspoon of toasted wheat bran. It may not look like anything special, but this flavorful liquid is what transforms an ordinary dough into a bait that consistently produces results. In the next steps, I'll show you exactly why this combination works so well. The finished liquid has a unique sweet garlic aroma that becomes the foundation of the entire recipe. Combined with the subtle roasted notes from the flour and bran, the garlic loses its harsh smell and turns into something much milder and more natural. That balanced scent is exactly what makes this bait so effective. And this is where most anglers make their biggest mistake: they focus on the dough itself, when the real secret has been in the mixing liquid all along. Many anglers have tried fishing with plain garlic and later say it doesn't make much of a difference. In my experience, the problem usually isn't the garlic itself, it's how it's used. Over the years, I've found that simmering garlic together with sugar creates a completely different aroma. The scent becomes much smoother and sweeter, and fish seem to respond to it much more confidently. That simple change can turn an ordinary dough bait into something surprisingly effective. At first, you might expect a recipe like this to require expensive additives or some complicated secret ingredient. The truth is just the opposite. Many of the best fishing baits are made from simple ingredients that are already sitting in your kitchen. The key isn't spending more money, it's preparing everything the right way and keeping the proportions consistent. When you do that, an ordinary dough bait can produce outstanding results. The finished bait is firm, easy to shape, and stays securely on the hook. You can roll it into small balls of any size, making it suitable for a wide range of fishing situations throughout the year. I've used this recipe successfully in spring, summer, fall, and even during cold water fishing. It has consistently attracted a variety of freshwater species, so it's definitely worth trying on your local waters. Don't be afraid to experiment, either. Sometimes even small adjustments can help you fine-tune the recipe for your own lake, river, or pond. I hope you found today's recipe useful. If you decide to make this dough bait, give it a try on your next fishing trip and let me know how it works for you in the comments. I always enjoy hearing your fishing stories and seeing the results you get with these recipes. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I wish you tight lines, memorable catches, and plenty of great days on the water. I'll see you in the next video.